This video illustrates how to manually collect mutual fund manager education and biographical information from the Morningstar database. Included in this is a spreadsheet with two worksheets. One of them is the list of fund IDs, the fund names, and the ticker symbols. We'll need those ticker symbols to look up the manager profiles in Morningstar. And the second worksheet is the same funds, but many funds will have multiple managers over time. So we will have to use this worksheet to get the tickers, and then this worksheet to copy in and paste the unique manager information. So let's see what this process looks like. So we'll start by doing this particular fund here, the Principal Global Multi-Strategy Fund. We can see its unique fund ID. This is a identification that is unique to that fund, but because many funds have multiple ticker symbols associated with them, we've picked out the oldest ticker symbol. So we're going to copy this, and then we will go over to Morningstar Direct. We'll go to Morningstar.com. Let me just get back to that page so it looks like what you will see. And when you go to Morningstar.com, you'll see this particular page here, and you can sign up for a free premium trial. We don't need the premium trial to do this particular project, so we don't need the access to the premium features. Right over here in the upper left-hand corner, there's a search bar, so I'm going to put in that ticker symbol, and we'll see it pops up the Principal Global Multi-Strategy Institutional Fund, so that's what we want. So click on that, and then when that fund comes up, we will see a tab right here that says People. We'll click on that, and we will see all the managers, all the listed here, biographical. Now note that the data set only starts in 2002, so if we have somebody in the data set from prior to 2002, we're hoping that we can capture them, at least their tenure overlaps with 2002, and we can capture that information. Otherwise, we will not be able to get them from this website. So which manager are we looking for the Principal Global Multi-Strategy Fund? So let's go to the tab Funds with Names. We're looking for Kelly Grossman, Kelly A. Grossman, and we can see Kelly A. Grossman is listed right here. So I'll click on that, and I will see Kelly Grossman's biographical and educational data. So I'm just going to copy that information there. So I've got her education file there, and I'll go back over here, and then I also want to copy her biographical information, and I will place that there, and that is the information. Now, sometimes, for example, in our file we may have it listed Kelly A. Grossman, and sometimes when we go over to the Morningstar.com, it may just be, for example, Kelly Grossman. So if the name is different, then just put the different name that's used in the Morningstar.com. In this case, we don't have to. We can leave that blank because the names are exactly the same. That's the process. So as we're collecting from Morningstar.com, if you will come across, for example, some funds that do not have a ticker, at this stage in the data collection process, we're just going to skip those and only do the funds that have ticker symbols. And reach out if you have any questions.